Okay, so today we're going to go up and take a look at something just really quickly that I wanted to talk about this morning up on the berm. As we climb up here, you can see I've got my main array. That's the 1680 watt array of panels there. And then over there I've got the new panels on the tracker, which is now 600 watts as opposed to the 400 that was there before. But if you're observant and you look at this array, you might notice one thing that's a little different. And that's this panel on the end here. And that's because this panel on the end here is completely shattered. If we go in close here, you can see that is all cracks all through there. That's the whole panel is like that. And that happened actually really early on when I got the panels installed. So that was actually that actually happened pretty quickly after they were put up. So I was pretty upset when that occurred. However, it works just as well as it used to. It puts out pretty much the same amount of power as it did before that happened. So what I did right away when it happened is I did a little research and I found this stuff. It's a clear silicone roofing sealer or adhesive. I guess it's a sealer. And because this array, as you can see here, has got these bolts and these pieces of unistrut that hold it to the post there, makes it adjustable, so I can actually set this thing flat. So all I did was I set that thing flat, and literally with a paintbrush I applied the clear silicone roofing material to it, and that held it together. And you can see the remnants of it there on the panel of what's left of the silicone, and most of it has over time, because this is years ago now, worn away with winter and scraping the snow and the ice off of it in the wintertime and everything. So I probably will reapply it or some other similar material at some point, but these panels produce pretty much exactly what they're rated for, even though this particular array has this good panel, and you can see the difference here, and one panel that's totally shattered. And they make the same amount of power pretty much as any of the other strings in that array. And this is set up with two 280 watt panels per string. And all of these panels basically output the same amount of power, even though on this end one here we've got this completely shattered glass.